GuestHouse 50 by Kaell architect in Luxembourg. GuestHouse 50 is a townhouse with a special atmosphere and exceptional communal areas. The transformed and restored historic townhouse proves how easily privacy and community can coexist. The single-family terraced house, built in 1880, to which an extension with a passageway was added in the 1920s, was used as a home with a decoration shop and an atelier where they designed and produced stuccos and hand-painted wallpapers. After a fire in 2012, the house was inhabitable, and to save it from being demolished, the neighbors bought it. Soon, they discovered, under the multiple layers of wallpaper and carpets, the hidden treasures of this untypical Luxembourgish townhouse. The house was completely transformed, and the sandstone structure was expertly restored. Today, it functions not only as a family residence but also as a versatile space for various activities. GuestHouse 50 now accommodates guests, hosts exhibitions, offers yoga classes, features a bar and kitchen, and provides dedicated workspaces for creativity and collaboration. Luxembourg's Heritage Protection Authorities, INPA, supported and assisted the project. The house consists of 4 floors, extending from the garden level to the second floor, with a long passageway leading to the rear courtyard and atelier. The minimalist furnishings and the combination of natural lime, dark brown wooden furniture, and natural textures create a pleasant and timeless aesthetic. The light-colored lime plaster is used on the interior walls and the facade. The interior of the studio has been insulated with miscanthus plastered with clay.